In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your surveys on SurveyMonkey by inserting images. Adding images to your surveys can improve engagement and provide additional context or clarity to your questions. Whether you're incorporating visuals to complement your questions or using them as standalone content on a page, these visual elements can play a significant role in enriching the feedback experience for your respondents. Let's dive into the process of embedding images directly into your questions or pages. As you begin editing your survey, your first step will be to focus on the area where you want to incorporate an image. If you're crafting a new question, go ahead and click on Add Question. Alternatively, if you're working with an existing question, simply select that particular question. Doing so will bring up the text editor toolbar right above the question text field. Here, you'll notice several icons, but you should be looking for the Insert Image icon. It usually resembles a small image of a mountain or a picture, making it quite identifiable. Clicking on the Insert Image icon will open a pop-up window with a couple of options. At this juncture, you have the flexibility to decide how you source your image. Should you have an image saved on your computer, choose the Upload option, browse through your files, and select the desired image to include. Alternatively, if you prefer to use an image that's already available online, you can easily input the URL of that image into the designated field. This URL method allows you to directly pull visuals from the web, broadening your image options without the need for downloading files. Once your image is selected or the URL is entered, it's essential to consider accessibility by adding a description for your image. This is typically known as alt text and is invaluable for ensuring your surveys are inclusive for all respondents, including those who rely on screen readers. Additionally, you may want to adjust the dimensions of your image to better fit the layout of your survey content. After setting these parameters to your satisfaction, simply click OK to finalize the image insertion. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your survey now includes an image that can better illustrate your content and engage your audience. Visual elements can not only make your surveys look more appealing, but also potentially lead to more thoughtful and comprehensive responses. Remember, clear and thoughtful incorporation of images can enhance the experience your respondents have, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for your unique survey needs. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.